My name is Jay Graham. I'm the Director of Product Development here at Marathon Coach, and today we're going to quickly show you our new door opening switch on the H3-45. So for years we've had the regular lever latch that opens up the door. Well, in our newly redesigned entry door, we added a little switch here, and that switch is connected to a solenoid, and all you do is touch the switch, it pops the latch open, allows you to get in and out of the coach really quickly. For tall customers, it's kind of awkward to get to that latch sometimes, so the button's really fast, easy to get to, and it's on a lockout, so when the engine's running, you can't accidentally hit the switch. We've also recessed it so you don't accidentally hit the switch, and then you still always have access to the latch. So it's what we call our new door popper, and it's new on the H3-45.